Hey, what's up, guys? So we are not by the car, and yes, you see the car, and that is definitely our shots. But we are doing it a little bit different. We are sitting down and we are talking about the Honda HRV. Now, what's amazing about the Honda HRV, as you can see, it's absolutely stunning and it's a totally new design. So, what I specifically liked about it is the look, the luxe look that Honda has now with the whole new facelift and total remodel. And I think that the HRV was always like in an awkward spot, and the reason being is because just a little. It's obviously smaller than the CRV, which is the big papa of the Honda SUV family that's available here in South Africa. But specifically, the HRV, it always had really cool styling, and it reminded me very much of the. It reminds me very much of the CHR. Toyota, but the HRV is at the moment the new look, and the facelift is absolutely stunning. Now the vehicle, you can see, has lots of like boxy, bulgy kind of finishes, but the car looks, it's absolutely stunning in this pearlescent grey color. I absolutely love it. Now the pricing goes at around 539,000 rand, approximately, depending on where you purchase it or mileage, etc. That's really out of the box, and it does come with a 1.5 liter engine. Now, that 1.5-liter engine, I must mention, is extremely fuel efficient. It is a CVT gearbox, and I think according to the advert or the spec sheet, you are looking at around 6.9 liters, I think, or 6.4 liters per 100 kilometers. And personally, I got between 7 and 8 liters per 100 kilometers, and that's like just driving the car as I want to do. It's a really, really good fuel consumption in this economy, and we know the world is around oil at prices at the moment is like gonna be crazy depending on when you watch this, and I'm sure it wouldn't have stabilized yet, but honestly, it's it's a really, really good fuel consumption on this vehicle. You've got your 18-inch alloy wheels, daytime running lights, and an absolutely stunning grille chromatic finish on the front, and I absolutely think it is a stunner of a vehicle. Now, in terms of the CVT and getting inside, you obviously are going to get that I always talk about, and you're probably like tired of it, but that is visible in this car, especially when you pick up speeds driving onto Nelson Mandela Boulevard or Hospital Bend, as you may know it. I think that, yeah, I definitely think that the CVT noise is there, but in terms of comfortability and drive, it is a solid drive. The lane assist features are absolutely stunning, and it's not overbearing, much like I know that like Isuzu often have, where the lane assist is just too much. It completely like pushes you and swerves it over between the lanes. I feel like it's actually very intrusive on the drive, and it feels somewhat dangerous. But looking at the Honda specifically, HRV, the leather in the cabin as well as just the interior of the vehicle feels very luxe at this price point. Obviously, I'm always a, if you do know, if you watch, if this is not the first video you're watching of mine, then you'd know that I am a fan of a pre-owned vehicle, so like a 1 year old vehicle or something that around 20 to 35,000 kilometers on the clock. But if you are looking out of the box, no, this meets your budget, I would choose this well over like a Toyota Corolla Cross, for example, because the car just feels, for me, it feels way more premium. I love the leather interior. You've got ISOFIX, you've got the armrest. This is the Elegance, the CVT model. But yeah, I think that the car is absolutely stunning. You get your 18-inch wheels, you've got ground clearance, of which we'll put above there because I just slipped my mind. But the car is definitely has some height on it, especially with those wheels as well. Cup holders is key, and this cup holders also for the passenger rear seats, which is absolutely amazing. So you've got the armrest, the passenger seats, and the doors, and then also in the front, of course, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and then also it has a wireless charger which you can power on and off. It's obviously really cool, and then an 8-inch infotainment display. Not sure if you could hear my son in this chatter, but yeah, This is not out in the field, but again, the reminder, this is our shots. Now looking at the rear of the vehicle, of course you're going to get your Honda sensing safety and security uh, package. So you do have your reverse cameras and all of the additional PTC, but the boot specifically on the rear, that's what I wanted to mention, has 304 liters of boot capacity. Now I don't weigh or measure these things, I usually see what it can fit, and personally to me it looked like it could fit a lot. I think it has more than 304 liters of boot capacity. That's just according to the spec sheet. Personally, it looks like between 350 to 380 liters of boot capacity. But yeah, you can definitely test that. Now what's awesome about the vehicle is that you have those flip seats that the Honda features, those pop-up seats, so you can literally lift it up and have extra capacity for that. So that's really cool, especially if you want to cart stuff, if you have a big family, you want to chop and change the way you configure your vehicle for extra space. I know that some of the Hondas say that can go like, so I don't want to mention the number, but I'm gonna exaggerate and say it's like 100 different ways that you can actually move your seats to get to the different configurations. But honestly, this vehicle is, we don't see many of it on the road, and honestly I think it's probably because of the price, and because people that buy Honda usually are like Honda fans. They stick to Honda, they are Honda fanatics, if I could say that. So people move literally from like an old Honda Civic Ballad or a Jazz or an Amaze, and they move into the different vehicles up to like the Brio, or the BRV, and then of course they move over into your larger vehicles, which is the HRV and the CRV. So people tend to like really stay in the Honda ecosystem. But yeah, that is the Honda HRV, and let me know if you like this style or kind of video. We are really like kind of working slowly on the studio. We've got new lights, so at the moment we're using new lights, and we borrowed our lights somewhere else. So yeah, I don't know if you like this kind of video, let me know. I would like to yeah, I'd love your feedback, and thanks for watching. If you have watched this far, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.